an informative video about helping the algorithm find your closet. You have hundreds or thousands of listings, you have great items, you share and you get this. No sales, no activity, zilch. Believe it or not, I am in that place right now, and because I know I am doing the right thing, sharing and posting new items, I wanted to do a little bit of digging and understand why this happens sometimes. If that's you, then keep watching this video. I did some research and I hope I can make sense out of why we sellers have days when it seems like someone just turned off the switch on our closets and there is no activity. First, let's get something out of the way. Make sure your listings are optimized and respond well in the Google search. If you are a seasoned seller, I am sure you know this by now, but if you are new to the reselling game, this is very important, and it's basically the door that opens to and pushes your listings out there in the world to be found by whoever is looking for it. I'm talking about the title of your listing. How to write listing titles. In addition to taking great pictures, you also have to write good titles for your listings. Keep it simple and to the point. Give Google a good, concise title and it will give you results. When Google crawls it, and I will insert what it means on the screen, it can only read title and chops the rest in pieces. If it cannot read, it rejects it. Write in plain and simple English what a normal buyer will look for. Example, J. Crew women's short sleeve yellow t-shirt, size medium. No fancy words, as you see, straight to the point. Nothing like this doesn't fit me or cute top, cute dress. None of that. Just plain and simple keywords. I did a little bit of research and also found this article in one of the Poshmark Facebook groups, as I am very curious and try to understand the talk and rumors about rolling servers between Poshmark resellers. Here is an informative 3-minute article about how the servers that Poshmark uses work. I will link the article in the description box down below for you to read it after you watch this video. The article states clearly that there is a server rotation, and to get it to work in your favor, the best thing to do is, like I said, write titles that are simple, informative, and to the point. And also, to help the algorithm narrow it down, you can use keywords at the end of your listings. Ever since Poshmark was acquired by Naver, a lot of changes have been implemented in a short period of time. More people join Poshmark daily, and a huge amount of data has to be managed in a way that benefits everyone equally, thus the algorithm rotating and favoring certain closets over a certain period of time. I would like to know your opinion, and please let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. The more we understand how the algorithm works, the more likely we can understand how to optimize our listing and work smarter, not harder, at reselling our inventory. I spoke about a few reselling techniques in my videos, and I will link a playlist on the screen as well as tips and tricks and how to optimize your listings. Poshmark has announced a new way of promoting your listings. It is called Promoted Closet, and it looks like resellers will have to set a daily budget for advertising their listings and pay per click if they want to promote their listings, but this won't be mandatory, of course, only if you choose so, just like eBay listing promoting. This program is in beta testing, and they ask only Poshers with large closets, meaning thousands of active listings, to test it out first, give feedback, and help them make it as user-friendly and useful as possible. I have just under 950 active listings, but of course I applied and I will keep you up to date. Fingers crossed. My name is Alina. I am a Poshmark reseller and I create content to help you with your own reselling journey. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video useful, please subscribe and get notified of upcoming new content. See you next time. Bye!